How to reduce walking at pickup in Waymo. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Waymo, and then in the official website of Waymo, it is written you may need to walk a bit. Many things can keep a car from pulling up to your exact locations. Make sure near your location there are no road closures, traffic congestion, constructions, or other temporary blockage, pedestrian bike list, or parked cars prohibited parking rules. Make sure they are not there. And if it's helpful, you can go to account accessibility and sign on minimize walking time. Keep in mind that a shorter walk may mean a longer ride as well. This is how to reduce walking at pickup in Waymo. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.